Hey guys, back here again with another box break. This time I have Mario Kart Wii trading cards to open up. You can see there. There's 6 cards in each pack. And there's 24 packs in this box. I'll show you some of the stuff there. And there's the back. So, I'm not really sure what to expect in this, so I'll just get right into it and open it up. Alright, and there's the first bit we'll do. I know there's foil cards to be looking for, so we got Special Cup, Mario Circuit, Booster Seat, Mega Mushroom. There's a foil card, Wario, and I think that'd be a trivia card there. So foils look pretty cool. And there's the Piranha Prowler, Maple Treeway, one of my favorite courses, Mushroom Cup, there's Blooper, and there's Wario, non-hollow, really cool. Another trivia card, so I guess you don't get a foil card in every pack. Alright, and there's Lightning Cup, the Sneakster, an item box, Star, there's a foil Yoshi, and another trivia card. The Phantom, N64 Bowser's Castle, Banana, Golden Mushroom, Daisy, and trivia card. There's Moonview Highway, the Dolphin Dasher, Leaf Cup, Bullet Bill, there's a foil Bowser Jr., another. We got the Magikruiser, Banana Cup, Moo Moo Meadows, another one of my favorites, Lightning, Peach, and trivia. N64 Mario Raceway, Piranha Prowler, Fake Item Box, Triple Mushrooms, a foil Toad, and trivia. So pretty cool cards. I really like the foil cards so far. Really cool look to them. Rainbow Road, Booster Seat, Fake Item Box, Triple Mushrooms, Diddy Kong, and trivia. The Day Tripper, Shell Cup, Rainbow Road, Pow Black, Foil Baby Daisy, and trivia. And there's Star Cup, Mushroom Gorge, Dolphin Dasher, Bob-omb, Baby Mario, and trivia. And there's the Jet Bubble, Mushroom Gorge, Triple Green Shells, Lightning Cloud. There's a foil Daisy, and trivia. And there's the Game Boy Advance Shy Guy Beach. It's my all-time favorite course on the Game Boy Advance. We got the Leaf Cup, Spiny Shell, the Blue Shell, Mega Mushroom. There's Rosalina, and trivia. And there's the last pack for this part. There's Flower Cup, the Sprinter, Wario's Gold Mine, triple red shells. There's a foil Koopa Troopa, and there we go. So, we got some foil cards here. We got the foil Koopa Troopa, Daisy, Baby Daisy, Toad, Bowser Jr., Yoshi, and Wario. Alright, stay tuned for the next part, and I'll see you guys later.